So all of this is recycled glass. So you'll be using just under a tonne of recycled glass across the whole project, which is effectively a diversion from landfill.
Other than outlasting any other surface treatment on the market, the recycled glass obviously creates a lot of sustainability within local government.
Easily over 5 years service life. Most of the paint products on the market, you might get 12 months, 18 months, but this will be a much more stable solution for the community. A bit of work involved in it, but that's our core business. So that's our offering it to the market, and we're happy to do it. We can, yeah. So we've done a lot of decorative work historically, and we'll continue to do that into the future.
The works were conducted during a night shift, so as you can see, the businesses around, they're all closed, and using a safe and adequate traffic setup in order to conclude within the allocated time frame.